In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide ChatGPT Sidebar chats. If you've ever found the sidebar on ChatGPT a bit distracting, or if you simply want a cleaner, more focused interface, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into this simple yet very useful trick. First, we're going to open up your web browser of choice and head over to Google. You can use any search engine you like, but for this guide, we'll be using Google as our starting point. Type Google into the address bar and press Enter to load the home page. It's where millions of searches begin every day. Once you're on Google's homepage, in the search bar, just type in ChatGPT. This search should direct you to the official ChatGPT website without any hassle. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT yet, it's an advanced AI-powered chatbot known for answering questions and providing information on just about anything you could think to ask. Okay, so now you've got a list of search results, and what you want to do next is find the official ChatGPT website link. You'll see the website appear among the top results, clearly labeled so you shouldn't have much trouble spotting it. Go ahead and click on that link to navigate over to ChatGPT's website. Here you are on the official ChatGPT webpage. The next step is quite straightforward. Once you've landed on the site, you'll need to locate the option to hide the sidebar. Usually, it's visible somewhere at the edge of the screen, possibly marked by a small icon that resembles collapsible options. Click on this, and you'll notice that the sidebar will smoothly disappear from view, leaving you with a clearer and more focused screen space. This feature can be especially beneficial if you're working within ChatGPT for an extended period of time, or if you're using it in a presentation context where every inch of your screen real estate is precious. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden ChatGPT's sidebar. Should you want to bring it back, you can simply repeat this last step and click to reveal it again. This toggle feature gives you the flexibility to customize your browsing and interaction with the AI in a way that best suits your needs. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in optimizing your ChatGPT experience. Be sure to explore the various functions and tools ChatGPT has to offer. And if you have any other questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask. Have a great day.